Welcome class 5 in your e-learning classes, and this is your EVS class as we are continuing the revision part of the first chapter of EVS book, that is super senses. And in my last video we have started to revise about the smelling sense. So with the continuation of this, today we will discuss few more examples of smelling sense. First example given here about the ants, and we came to know their behavior and how they recognize about the other members of their group. Some scientists did many of the experiments and came to know that ants always move in a line or in a straight line. Why they move in a straight line? Because they leave a smell on the ground and the other ants follow the same path and go to their respective places. That is the reason whenever we are watching, whenever we are observing the movement of the ants, we can see they always move in a line. So this is about the movement of the ants. Now I will talk about some other insects. So few behavior we can find and we can see from their behavior that they have a strong smelling sense. Like few insects are there who find their female partners by smell. One example is given here about the silkworm. Silkworm can find its female partner from a 1 and 2 kilometers far from that place. So it is a very they are having very strong smelling sense. Now if we'll talk about the mosquitoes, whether we are sitting in a dark room, wherever we are in a garden, if we are in a playground, everywhere mosquitoes are there and they can find us very easily. So how they are finding us? They are also having very strong sense of smelling. They smell the sole of our feet, as well as they can sense the warmth of our body or the heat of our body. So by feeling of the heat of the body and by smelling the sole of the feet, they can find easily any human being or any animal, and they suck their blood as they are parasites. So this is the way they are also finding about their prey, and we can say they are having very strong sense of smelling. Another one example, oftenly we observe that dogs are sniffing here and there. So why they do this? Because they are sniffing here and there to find the smell of the urine, as they can make out their area on the road. They mark their areas or their territories by the smell of urine or the potty. So that is the reason they are sniffing here and there. Even if any other dog has come to their territory or in their area, they can find out that easily by the smell of urine and potty. So these all animals having a very strong sense of smelling, and these are very they are using this sense to find their prey, to find their shelter, to find their partners, and by this way they lead their life by the strong sense of smelling. So do we have the same kind of smelling sense? We don't have that much strong smelling sense. So today up till the smelling sense we have completed, and next I'll take some other examples and about the another sense or some few examples of another sense. But here are 2 and 3 questions are given here. In what ways the human beings use of this special sense of dogs? So we know dogs are used by policemen, and they use them for catching thieves or for some detecting some kind of special crimes. So dogs' sense of smelling is so strong that even we are using them for detecting some kind of criminal site or criminal things. Now next one is, if list some example, like know by the smell that food has gone bad or something is burning. So this is our smelling sense by which we can identify whether anything is burning or some accident is going to happen. Sometimes the gas burners are being opened in our house and we came to know from the smell. So our smelling sense is also helpful for us, for protecting us from the accidents. And now some of the smells which you like and which you do not like, I have already given in your homework. So you have done that, but here it is also given, I like the smell of and I do not like the smell of. So this homework, who didn't complete the homework, they will do it right now and submit their homework to me. So up till that, goodbye, have a nice day.